This Tennessee mountain property feels like stepping into another world. Nearly 18 unrestricted acres, a renovated cabin, and a private creek that truly sets it apart. Perched on Dayton Mountain, this one-of-a-kind retreat offers privacy, nature, and endless potential for lifestyle or income. Inside, the cabin has been thoughtfully updated with a new kitchen, renovated bathrooms, updated flooring, mini splits, and a durable metal roof. Large windows bring in natural light and frame mountain and forest views from nearly every room. The warmth of the wood-burning stove creates a cozy atmosphere, making this home ideal for year-round living. Whether it's a crisp winter morning or a quiet evening in the woods, the space feels inviting and comfortable. One of the standout features is Duskin Creek, a beautiful, constantly flowing creek that runs through the property. A private trail leads you down to the water where you can relax, cool off in the summer, or simply enjoy the peaceful sound of nature. The property also includes a workshop or garage space that can be fully enclosed, offering flexibility for storage, projects, or recreational equipment. An unfinished basement, already plumbed for an additional bathroom, adds even more potential for expansion. With nearby state forest land, abundant wildlife, and access to trails, this property is perfect for hunting, hiking, or outdoor recreation. Its location also makes it ideal for an Airbnb, campground, or multi-generational retreat. Just a short drive to Watts Bar Lake, Chattanooga, and Knoxville, this is more than a property. It's your own private escape with unlimited possibilities.